All right, Des, this is your Valvestate AVT50, the Valvestate 2000 series. I'm getting signal up to the headphone out. However, it is not taking that ride along W1, W2 over to the output board here. So what am I talking about? Let's see if I can zoom in there. Just terrible shot, sorry. So basically, here's the issue here. It's not making it to this area. I am seeing the signal present on this jack here. However, it's not going over to the output board. So, update soon. All right, no sultry shots here, buddy. Gain channel. Just a lot of contamination in there. All right, and your clean channel. Just a little bit of funk on the volume pots there. Update soon. All right, Des, going through a 412, 400 watt cabinet. So I'd say the overdrive channel works. My God. No more noise in the pots. Everything's ready to go. My God, I love the overdrive channel. Here we go. Got to go back to that.